Hi there, welcome back to my channel English. I'm Messi and I'm here to improve your English and help you to be better than yesterday. Do you ever think about learning a new language? But do you think it's hard? Do you think you will do tomorrow? Tomorrow never comes. Do you want to be master in English? Is it hard to start for you? It's not because you're lazy. It's because it's a big and broad task and your brain says don't do that. Let's do something easier. This bigness and broadness maybe makes you confused, and maybe you think I can't do that and this work is not for me. But I have a good news for you. Laziness is who you are. Laziness is a habit, and all habits can be changed. But maybe it's hard, but it can be changed. So you can fix this problem. Today I want to show you some approaches and steps to make it perfect. First, you should make it smaller. Big works and missions feel scary, so make it small and make it step by step. For example, if you want to learn grammar, don't think about all grammar rules you should learn in the future. Just focus on that rule you are learning now. Just focus on progress step by step. Second, create easy learning routines. Routines make things run automatic. Also, good routines can avoid overthinking and you can focus on progress and your work. You just try to learn step by step. Just try to learn, and one day you will see how much progress you have made. Third, use Pomodoro technique. It's a time management method. You should study 25 minutes and then you can take a short break, typically about 5 to 10 minutes. After 4 Pomodoro times, you can take long break, typically 30 minutes. It fresh your brain and you will learn things better and you will not get tired of it. You should start with basic and easy words and phrases. I recommend you to start with applications. For example, English for kids, and then you can have progress. Don't wait for a perfect moment. Just start. You don't need to be perfect to start, but you need to start to be perfect. If you liked my video and it was helpful for you, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.